Okay, so here's an update. Here is the driver's side, and I finished dry sanding with 3D 2500 dry sanding. And now I'm going to jump over to the other side. And in case anybody didn't see any of my other videos, I usually try to stay about a thumbnail distance away from all the edges and anything I don't want to run my spinning wool pad into, okay? It's not that it can't be done, it's just that that's not the level of quality I'm looking for this. I'm looking for really good, but I ain't gonna spend the next 10 years on it. Anyway, so dry sanded, tops, bottoms, horizontal surface is already done. For this third pass I made, I used the 2500 grit. This is the 3D brushless electric sander. Let's see, turn it on, you can hear it's real quiet. Pretty cool. Don't need an air compressor. By the way, I wiped the whole car down. This is 3D wipe. And then for the small areas, the thin panels, I used the 3D 3-inch 2500 on the FLEX PXE, and that's a 3-inch backing plate. And this is a 2-inch backing plate. And I hand cut these out of the 6-inch discs. Okay, gosh, the clock says it is, I think, 7:30. Gonna try to have this done before I leave here tonight. So off to the other side to get sanding. Cool project.